She special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below, turning on your post notifications and hashtagging Reesie Gang. As you can see, I have a new unit, so this is brought to you by Unice Hair Company. So of course, I'm going to show you what's inside the box, how I customize this wig, and how I style, and my overall opinion on this wig. So if you're interested in this unit, then keep on watching. Bye! So in the box, it came with some elastic band straps for extra security on the wig, as well as some press-ons and a wig cap. It also included a headband as well as some mink lashes. This wig is an ombre honey blonde highlighted lace front curly wig. You guys, these curls are so beautiful and bouncy. It's 13x4 lace frontal wig with adjustable straps and combs. It is the longest length, which is 24 inches, and honey is giving Beyonce vibes. The hairline is thick, so it gives you room to customize how you would like your wig. The curls are amazing. The color is beautiful. So as you know, I use 40 volume developer and BETTYOU powder to bleach the unit. I left it on for about 10 minutes, and then here I am hot combing the edges back and getting ready to pluck this unit. The hairline was already pre-plucked, but of course I wanted to go in a little bit more to get a more natural hairline. I am using Arrogant Tay's method with a white towel and then going in after the edges to pluck. So I did comb out the frontal, and that's why the hair looks crazy right now, but trust the process. As you can see, I am cutting up into an angle to cut off the ear tabs. This unit actually gave just enough room for the ears, so please make sure you get the right sizing for these wigs, because if your head is a little bit too big or too small, it could result into not giving you enough lace around the ear. I am using a wig dealer melting spray for the glueless method. I've been raving about this in every single video. If you already don't know, get your hands on these. So while I have the lace intact, I like to spray the wig dealer spray down and then use a blow dryer to blow dry the spray and make sure it is nice and dry before adding our elastic band. So after making a middle part, I like to get the She's Bomb hair wax stick, and I like to put that over the part as well as on the edges to hot comb that flat down. This wig is very big and very curly, so this step is imperative if you want a wig to look as flat as possible, even with curly hair. If you guys see me talking, it's because I was on live on Instagram. I was doing a live install method using this wig, so definitely tune in on my Instagram lives if you guys want to see a real live action of me applying these wigs. You can ask any questions and really thoroughly see me install these wigs. So once I took off the elastic band, I am just parting the hair for my baby hairs. And what I like to do is comb it down and then use the wig dealer hairspray to spray in between the hairline and the edges. So while I am melting the lace, I am getting some plain water and detangling this wig. I like to go in with some leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. I use very little and some mousse to hold these curls and just tame these curls down. And I do that throughout the whole head until I'm done, and then I remove my elastic band.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love.
So you guys, that was a quick glueless install. This hair is gorgeous, very minimal shedding and minimal tangling. The luster on this hair is beautiful. Curls is amazing. Thank you so much, Unice Hair, for sending me this wig to try out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.
Multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time.